Hi, I'm a functional nutrition coach who helps people resolve their energy and fatigue issues while also losing weight naturally. So I really love spreading health information to those people that are interested in improving their overall health and wellness. So what I'm doing is I'm hosting a free health webinar called the 6 little known culprits that are causing you to become fatigued and exhausted and the fastest ways to increase your energy for good. Now, if you attend my webinar live, you actually get a free ebook called Healthy Delicious Energy Boosting Recipes. Now, if you can't attend live, that is okay. You will actually still be able to register, but you will get a webinar recording the following day in your email inbox so you can listen at your own pace. So if you want to know more, go to heartfulfoods.com/register to learn more about the details of the webinar and to learn about me. And also too, on that page, you could actually direct message me and I'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. So once again, I encourage people to actually send me a message, send me questions, anything related to health and wellness, because I'm very passionate about spreading that information to those people that are always trying to improve their health. Again, my name is Brandon Drake and I'm a functional nutrition coach and a therapeutic chef at heartfulfoods.com, where food is medicine. Peace.